Hey up everybody, back in Benidorm today, and I'm here today to review this hotel behind me, the Hotel Don Pancho. Right here on the Avenida Mediterraneo, the big dual carriage there that runs all the way from Benidorm New Town to Old Town. I'm going to show you all the facilities, I'm going to show you the room, I'm going to show you the view front balcony, which is absolutely spectacular. I'll show you the food. I'm in half board, so I'm going to have breakfast and dinner here. I'll show you the pool area as well tomorrow, but first of all, let's go check the room out here. Just to say, I'm right up there as well, right at the top floor, 17th floor. Come on, let's go check it out. Little sheltered area, just as you're coming into reception, there's a little garden and water fountains and water features and nice relaxing calming music. So you've had an hectic day on Benidorm Strip, coming in here and it just calms you down. Alright, who we got here then?
Tony.
What do you think at Don Pancho, Tony? You're just checking out, aren't you?
Yeah, fantastic hotel. We've been here twice now. Love it, yeah.
So that's a testament that you must like it if you come back again.
Yeah, we were at 11th floor first time. We're at 17th floor this time, yeah.
Alright, what's food like?
Yeah, not so bad, yeah, all right. Yeah, as good as we've had other places, yeah.
Where are you from? You sound like Yorkshire like me.
No, we're from Blackburn, Lancashire.
Oh, sorry about that. Alright, cheers Tony. No. Marianne, Tony's wife, she don't want to be on vlog, but she's a subscriber, so I'm just giving her a shout out. I'm just looking around the reception area, it's gorgeous down here, look at this. Loads of little areas to sit, like an old style poker room or something here, isn't it? Gorgeous, look at this. All these bookcases and stuff, with all ornaments on it and that. This must be a hotel when it was first getting built. Oh, classic room there, they've changed a bit, I'm going to show you that in a minute. Look at that, old record player. Some old records here, look at that, old Blue Eyes, Frank Sinatra. Oh, Grease soundtrack as well. It's one of them where I'm just fed up of hearing it. Look at this, very decadent bar area, look. I'll have to have a drink down here later before I go out. Right, floor 17, all the way to the top. Oh, maybe not quite at the top, there's an attic up. Close enough. One thing I did notice downstairs, I don't think I filmed it, but there is about 5 or 6 lifts, so yeah, plenty of lifts, so I don't think you'll be waiting about too long, which is, that's great, innit? A lot of hotels, you can be waiting ages. Rio Park, yeah, that's bad foot lifts. Anyway, let's go show you this room. So here we are, I am in room 1705, which is right on the top floor. There is a key slot which will turn electrics on. So, here we are in the room, and I've got to say, first impressions, it is immaculate, it's gorgeous. Here, have a look at this, fantastic. So as you come in, you have got air conditioning controls, got it set at lowest it'll go at a minute. The fan is pretty noisy, so I'm just going to turn that down a bit. There we go, lowest setting now. It was very warm when I come in, I think aircon's been off. But look at this, it's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, one thing I will say, it looks absolutely immaculate, but it is on the compact side, so if you're on your own or a couple though, I think it's fine. It is 2 twin beds pushed together. Big TV on the wall here. I noticed there is a YouTube and Netflix available on it as well. And you've got your English channels as well. BBC 1, BBC 2, all that good stuff. So you can watch your soaps. But so far, very, very impressed. You've got all what you'd expect to have. You've got your plug sockets outside at bed, all your light controls, a telephone. You got a fridge here, I believe. Let's have a look. Yeah, you got a mini fridge there with some complimentary water, a couple glasses. You got tea and coffee, which is replenished daily, it says. So very good so far, everything you'd expect with Well, it is a luxury hotel. I mean, it's probably the poshest hotel I've stayed in Benidorm. Got a nice little seating area there as well, look. I've got to say, it's very, very tastefully decorated. All creams and beige. Desk area where I'll be doing a bit of editing later. Big, huge fitted wardrobes here. I'll just show you all space in here. You got some spare pillows up there. You got some hangers, plenty of hangers. I've already hung some of my stuff up. You got the safe, which was about $190 a day, I think, so worth it. And you can fit a laptop in there. Got some more storage space down there. And then, yeah, another big wardrobe with loads of hangers as well. I guess this would be more suited for a lady's clothing, long dresses and stuff. Let's check the bathroom out. There's the bathroom. It's no bath, but a massive walk-in shower. Your sink and stuff there. Everything you'd expect. Fresh towels. You've even got a bidet, look. But yeah, shower's pretty big. I'm not going to do a walk with me, Tim, and tell you how many people would fit in it. But there's more than enough room for one or two of you. You know what the real money shot is, don't you? Check out this view front balcony. Fantastic. Look at that. Sea view. Fantastic. And sun's just coming down, so I'm going to get some excellent shots at sunset down here. The balcony itself is pretty big. Look at this. You've got a table, a couple of reclining chairs, so you can sit out, have a drink and watch the sea. Proper relaxing, proper luxury for Benidorm, innit? Really nice. Right guys, I'm going to do a bit of work now, and then I'm going to go down for dinner later and I'll show you what that's like, eh? That's not a bad view, is it? Time to go down and check out what the evening meal's like. I'm going to get up, get a shower, maybe check the bar downstairs out before I go out tonight. Right, that's me ready for dinner. I've had to put my long trousers on. Gone a bit smart, and I'm my cardie, bringing cardies back. Quite sophisticated. Apparently there's a dress code, you have to wear long trousers. My mate David, who's staying here, told me that. So I'm going to go down, try it dinner now, and yeah, see what it's like. I've heard food's very good here. I got in now, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of selection around here. You've got your salads, you've got your desserts, you've got your mains. I've gone for Korean ribs and some Iberian pork cheek. There we go, that's that. Mac and cheese as well, and a bit of salad. Got to be healthy, haven't you? Try out mac and cheese. Really good, that. I think that pork cheek star at show though. Really good, really tender. And look who's staying at the Don Pancho as well, Mr. David Brannigan.
Aye.
Are you enjoying the stay, mate?
Yeah, it's very good. It's brilliant, I think.
Nice hotel, isn't it?
Oh, it's very nice.
I've just had my dinner. What did you think of food?
I don't know, it was very lovely, mate.
I had the pork cheeks, that were good.
Oh, no, so it was. I had the veal burgers and some macaroni.
Oh, nice. Yeah, macaroni and cheese was good.
That was lovely.
And down here, this is where the evening entertainment is, it, mate?
Yes.
It's not open at the minute, but everybody's getting the pods already. And then there's a bar over here as well. Come on, David, we've got to get to the bar. Look at this, nice and chilled out.
It's over here.
Alright. You having a beer?
Yeah, we'll get a wee cocktail.
Oh, alright.
Yes.
This is nice, isn't it? Me and David have come down to the bar. We're having a drink as well. David's having sex on beach. I'm having a vodka and lemonade. But it's lovely here. It's a really nice hotel. I can see why people rave about it.
Yeah.
Food, as I've just been talking to David about, was spot on, to be fair. Not a massive selection. It is quite limited, so if you're really fussy eater, maybe you'll have difficulties. But I really enjoyed it. That Iberian pork cheek was absolutely delicious. Mac and cheese were really tasty as well. But yeah, we're going to have this drink, and then me and David is going to hit the Benidorm strip, I think. Are you out tonight?
Yes.
He's out. Big question, David.
Yes.
Are you getting involved?
I certainly am,
Drinks have arrived. I've got a vodka lemonade. David's got sex on the beach.
Yes, and it's very nice.
He's already supped half of it. David's just told me that he thinks the bar area reminds him of something.
The Shining, Lloyd's Bar.
Yeah, I can kind of get what he means, but hopefully we don't get a psycho Jack Nicholson after us tonight.
No.
That's what you want, a nice big glass. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Oh, get all your mixer in it if it's a big glass. Cheers, everybody. Because Spanish measures, you'll know, they can be very strong. One of the great things here that you can do is scan the QR code on all tables and get drinks straight to your table. You don't even have to get up, and charge it to your room as well. Cheers to that, eh? This is very strong. They give good measures in here. To show you what it's like. As you can see, you've got to be early to get a seat. Everybody's already packed out waiting for the show. Who we're on tonight, mate? Boney M.
I'm Bonnie M, I think, yes.
Boney M's coming on, so gonna go out now on strip, and we'll catch you guys in the morning. Me and David are gonna show you at Pulwich morning,
Yes.
and I'll show you at breakfast, and I'll give you my final thoughts. See you in the morning.
See ya.
Hey up, everybody. Very exciting news. I have launched YorkshireLee.com. It's the new place to get all your merch, and it's now going to be UK based. So if you make an order, it should come from the UK. So hopefully a little bit quicker for you if you're ordering t-shirts and stuff. There's all other things going to be on the website as well, not just merch. We've got all links to social channels, links to videos, and competitions like this one here. This is your chance to come to Benidorm Fiesta with myself, Yorkshire Lee, and Nelly, and the rest of the gang. If you watch this year's videos, you'll see what a fantastic time we had on British Fancy Dress Day, Manic Monday, and everything in between. This is truly the best time of year to go to Benidorm. So if you want to get involved, enter now. You and a guest will be staying in a 4-star hotel, half board. You'll get luggage included and your transfers to and from Alicante Airport to Benidorm. So what are you waiting for? Get involved and give yourself a chance to go on this fantastic trip. Cheers, everybody.
Benidorm's magic never gets old. Are you getting involved? Join the madness.
Morning all. It's not a bad view to wake up to, is it? Bloody lovely. I'm a bit rough today. This hotel is right on the strip. Literally, you walk out at side doors and you're on the Benidorm strip. It can be dangerous, but at least you ain't got far to stumble back. Right guys, bit pecky, so it's breakfast time. Let's go see what it's like. Got myself a little bit of a fry up. One thing I've noticed straight away is proper English back bacon. So that looks really good. Sausage, still a catering sausage in it, but looks pretty well done. Shall we try beans? Are they Heinz? Yes, they are. 100% Heinz, you can tell. Got nice fried egg, sunny side up. No snottiness, freshly cooked for you up there. As you can see, it's quite a big selection for breakfast. Loads of breads, loads of continental stuff as well. Your cereals, all your different milks. Got myself a cappuccino as well. Cheers, everybody. See if it's a nice sausage, a nice catering one. You can tell it's clearly still a catering sausage in it, but here we go. It's okay, to be fair. Tell you what, let's do money shot. Can't beat it. Dipping your sausage in. Gonna eat the rest of this. Maybe catch up with David and I'll show you the pool area. Well, I've got to say, I've been quite impressed with food. Still was catering sausage. We're never getting a proper sausage in Benidorm, are we? People keep saying, try it halfway house, that's a proper one. But they were saying the same about Corkies. Might try and go before end of the week and try it out. Anyway, guys, let's go check this pool out. Maybe we'll see David having a swim. How you doing? Bit tired, mate.
I'm the same.
Oh, have you had a dip yet?
No, not yet, mate. I'm just waiting on my coffee coming.
Well, it's a lovely little pool area, this, isn't it? Plenty of sunbeds. It's not the biggest pool, but you know, it's alright to just get a quick cool off, isn't it? But it's got a pool bar, nice sun trap. It's November now and it's red hot. The sun's blazing down on me. Gonna need sun cream on, I think, today. But yeah, it's really impressed with this hotel, really nice. It's a bit expensive. It cost €190 for night. That's half board, so that was with my dinner, my tea and breakfast as well. Right guys, final thoughts on Don Pancho. Well, I think it's quite obvious. It's a bloody lovely hotel, isn't it? It's fantastic. I can't fault it, to be honest. One nitpick, you know what I'm going to say, breakfast, catering sausage, but you're never going to get a proper sausage in Benidorm, are you? Staff have been fantastic. The food is probably the best I've had in Benidorm, I'd say, in an hotel. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. What's the best hotel food for you? If I were comparing it to anywhere, I'd say it's similar to Ambassador for food levels. Get your back bacon for breakfast and all that. Maybe only downside, it's not loads of choice on the night. But if you're not a fussy eater, I think you'll be more than happy. The bed's really comfortable. The room's got everything you need. Lovely, really nice. Spotlessly clean. For comparing it to another really nice hotel in Benidorm, the Gold Arcos, the only thing I'd say is those rooms are bigger. But these are probably a little bit nicer, maybe. Don't know, what do you think if you've stayed in both? Maybe these are just a little bit nicer, I don't know. This is probably up there now in my top 2 or 3 hotels in Benidorm, and for location, you're right on strip. Maybe that's a bad thing because you're straight into action, and so I'm keeping sunglasses on today. I feel a little bit tired. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this look round the Hotel Don Pancho in Benidorm. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hype it, YouTube's one of YouTube's newest features. And if you like this one, you might like this one here. How about that one there? See you next one, guys. Ta-ra!